Alright, so you can see the regular shape. Little bit painting is done here. I'm in the middle of the painting. So let's draw the tree this side. So I'm taking the color black one here and putting my brush strokes to the upwards like these directions. Okay. All right. So the branches, you can see the segments are a little bit divided into looks like the English alphabet Y on the top. And the bottom one is going to be a little bit thicker because of the uh, natural positions. The trunk is the oldest one, and the branch is extended to the right side. I'm just drawing it little far here like this. Another one is coming up like this. Okay. And here you can see the presence of the another branch. Some branch are maybe visible in other parts. Okay. And a few shades in the bottom. Awesome. So now you can put some few strokes like the the shades. So when you put some strokes like this, it's make the tree little bit lively, and put some 3D effects on the appearance. All right. Okay. So now the tree is done. I'm going to put a boat here. So to draw the boat, let's take the color, black color again, and drawing the shape of the boat here like this. Okay, you can see. And putting a pole here. Okay, which is connected with the boat. All right, and a few shades you can see on the water. If you like, you can put some tall trees to the village, as you can see in a far distance. Maybe 3 of them like this. Put some leaves on the top, the tall trees. Also some trees are visible here too. Okay. All right, and a separation line is put together here because you can see the village in a far distance from these positions. Okay, and the field, maybe some variations in the texture when you put the presentations of the field. Okay. All right. For the sky, if you just put something like this, you can define the clouds, the black clouds in the sky. Mhm. So there's the shades for the black clouds. Just putting the variations of the colors. Okay. And the last thing I'm going to do, that put a sun here, which is rising in the horizon. And I'm going to use the yellow color in this case for the rising sun. So let's take more color, put it here, and little bit more color. All right, so the sun looks prominent in this village settings, and putting some rays like this, because the light is dispersing to all directions. So lots of them you can see here. Okay. And usually the reflections of the white sunbeams you can see on the water. Mhm. And for the trees, just putting some yellow as the shades in one side. Okay. For the trunk, you can see that shade in one side. Okay. And maybe we're going to use the white color. Let's take the white color, put it for the boat. All right, and here so for the better visualizations, I'm putting the trees here, and few drops you can see here, and few here. Some shades on the top portions you can put to show the villages. Also you can see the trees are getting visually nice, and also putting some other variations in the cloud formations. Okay. All right, so the drawing is almost finished, and you can see the presentations and other strokes. It's depicting the tree very nicely. And when you paint, just have your time